15-in-1 Manicure Kit Large Nail Clipper, Medium Nail Clipper, Oblique Nail Cutter, Cuticle Nipper, Cuticle Pusher, Nail File, Dead Skin Fork, Acne Needle, Tweezers, Scissors, Ear Pick, Callus Remover Knives. Premium quality, made of top-high stainless steel and are produced with highest standards to ensure every tools are pretty and sturdy, with special cutting technology to ensure it's sharp and efficient. Zipper case comes with a ZIZZON designed high-quality portable travel case that is easily opened and closed with a zipper, perfect size and lightweight, easy to put in your bag, great for travel or home use. Gift ideal manicuring, pedicuring, eyebrow shaping, anti-acne, exfoliating etc. Only with one set and all done. Packed in a high-quality colorful beauty zipper case, it is an amazing gift for your family or friends. New surface coating technology gives the product wonderful colors and a longer service life. Perfect combination of exterior and quality. You will get your money's worth with this set and more. Top reviews from the United States. Lasts. This will be my 4th purchase of these. I buy them and then my mom took my first set, mother-in-law took the second, and then my hubby wanted a set, so now I'm gonna try again. They are sturdy and last well.